Yeah, good morning, Alberto. I am using all of your information and your document that you provided for us, and this is happening to mine. We've had it happen to a couple students before, but I've got your document right there, and that's why I asked you about how do I delete a guest user, because after this we get this error that pops up. Our system is running on low graphics mode. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. One of my students, it happened to him as well, and he was able to click OK. And I've got Kyle sitting right next to me. Kyle, you asked me to click OK again, is right. So run in low graphics mode for just one session.
Can you actually change any of those options?
Can I change these options? Kyle's asking me. I can.
You see, I couldn't on mine.
Okay, so
maybe try to reconfigure graphics.
All right, let's try to reconfigure graphics, Alberto. Use the default generic configuration.
Yeah.
Let's try that. How would you like to display? Yes. Okay.
Maybe not.
All right. I think I'm going to hit cancel here because something was going on.
Troubleshoot.
Maybe we can try. Kyle and I are going to try troubleshoot here. Review the X server login, review the startup errors, edit configuration file.
Try edit the configuration.
Man, we're just not able to choose any of those. Maybe exit the console login. Let's just try this. We're going to try a few things here, Alberto. See what happens. Well, all right, we're going to try to press enter. All right, well, I'm not getting anything, Alberto, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reboot. And let's go ahead and I'm going to power this thing down. And I know we are not shutting down our virtual machine, but all right, let's try to load this back up. Working on Ubuntu 3. I'm going to play this guy. Because of corresponding device is unavailable to host, you want to try to connect this. No, let's choose no there. You can see that I have a couple fails here, Alberto. This is what I ran into yesterday. And then it would come to this location yesterday, and this is what I would get. Nothing. So I'm glad I actually backed up my operating system this time because I do have this problem. And I actually let this sit here yesterday for about a good half an hour, I would say, to see if anything would kick in. And nothing would kick in and load anything up after that. So I'm kind of perplexed because it worked great for a couple of my students. And for me, not so good. So if you can maybe offer any guidance based on this video, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to try to go through this again. I'm going to use my backup and try it one more time. And go from there. Thanks so much, though, Alberto, for any help you could give me.